Here in Lakewood at the Hampton Inn. What the heck? Look at these. What are these? What? Oh, these are US. Yeah, these are kind of funky. These are not like what you would see in a Hampton Inn. This place just does not give off the vibes of a Hampton Inn. Get a view. You can kind of see Denver a little bit. There's downtown Denver. We'll get a review of. This is a very big elevator lobby. It's a nice hotel. It's funny, this place is designed like a much bigger hotel than it actually is. I like how they just replaced the Hampton Inn like branding thing they always have on the doors with just a little picture of some plants. And it's peeling badly. It's not peeling, it's like bubbling up behind it.